Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take your macro photography to the next level and make it more easier using this tool, the focus taking in Luminar Neo. So let's say that when I want to take this photo, I want the camera to focus on this object, but it just focus on some area of it and the other part looks blurred like this. Well, you can use this tool, focus taking, to stack up your different photos on the same spot with a different depth of field, and focus taking will align and keep everything in focus. So let me just show you how to do it. But before we get started, I'll give away this Urban Jungle Kit preset for 3%, so watch till the end of this video to see how to enter. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump into Luminar Neo and get started. Okay, so first, to install the extensions, click on this extension button on the top right here and just click install. After that, you can close down this window and you will see the focus stacking on the right side right here. Okay, so you can stack up to 100 photos, and as you can see right here, I've prepared some photos as an example, so let's use this one. Okay, so I want this object, all of it, to be in focus, and as you can see, this area is in focus but the back of it is blur, and right here is a little bit blur as well. So I took another photos that in focus in this area and this area. Okay, and then this one as well. So all I have to do is just select 4 of these photos like this and then drag it to the focus taking tab, and you can see the preview right here. Okay, and then you can also click this settings icon and you can choose to enable auto alignment, so it will auto align your photos, and you can also choose the reference image right here. You can also enable this chromatic aberrations reductions, and to remove all of these photos at once, just click this remove all images. Okay, after you have done with the settings, just click step button, and focus taking will do all of the job to make your object in focus. After that, you can see the result in the focus taking folder. It will be created automatically, and let's zoom in. So as you can see, all of it is in focus right now. It's super easy. All you have to do is to stack up the same photos with different depth of field, and the focus taking will do the job to make everything in focus. Okay, so let me show you another example. Okay, how about this one? So there are 3 jars in this photo. These first photos, the first jar is in focus, and then this is the second jar in focus and the third jar in focus. So let me select all of these photos and drag it to focus taking, then click stack, and as you can see, now all of these jars are in focus. Okay, but there are some drawbacks that you need to know that still need some improvement. Okay, so let me show you the drawbacks of these extensions, the focus taking. Okay, so it would be better for you to use a tripod when you take the photo, because if you shot handheld like this one, this tree was shot handheld but it's basically on the same spot. But if I stack up to 2 photos that was shot handheld, so I'll stack these 3 photos and click stack. Okay, so as you can see, it was basically the same photos, different photos on the same spot, I mean. Okay, but was shot handheld, and if I use focus tagging to make everything in focus, you can see that there are some weird white area around the image because this was shot handheld. Even though I have enabled this auto alignment, the result will become weird like this. So if you shot handheld, I recommend you to only stack 2 photos. Okay, like this one. This 2 was shot handheld as well. Okay, but this area is a little bit blurred, so I took another photos that is in focus in this area. Okay, as you can see, the focus tagging can still handle it if I stack only 2 photos that was shot handheld. But if I stack more than 2 photos like this one, the result will become weird. So it will be better for you to use a tripod. And I'm sure in the future, Luminar Neo will fix this issue. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. For now, if you want a better result, just use a tripod. Okay. And okay, so that was how to use focus tagging in Luminar Neo. And if you are interested to get focus tagging extensions or all of these extensions pack, you can click on the link in the description to get a discount and to support this channel. And also to get the free preset, all you have to do is to comment down your social media name like your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram or Twitter, and just type I want this preset. Okay, and I will choose 3 random person next week. So make sure you comment down below. And okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy and learn something new from this video. Hit the like button to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video.